morning, my dear friends, respected teachers, and the school staff. Today, we have assembled here to celebrate the special and much awaited occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, we give them our hearty tribute for their effort for making our and nation's future. First of all, I want to thank my class teacher to give me a great opportunity to speak here at this great occasion. My dear friends, today on the occasion of the Teachers' Day, I would like to speak on importance of teachers in my life. Students all across the world observe this day to pay respect to their teachers. It is truly said that teachers are like backbone of our society. They play a great role in building up the characters of students and shape them to become an ideal citizen. Teachers teach students very carefully and sincerely, just like their own children. It is well said that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers shape him or her character and make future bright. Thus, we never forget and ignore them. We always respect and love them. Our parents are responsible for giving us love and quality care. However, our teachers are responsible for making whole future bright and successful. They let us know the importance of education in our life through their continuous efforts. So, my dear friends, say together that our respected teachers, we are always grateful to you for all you do to so. My dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice to be a successful person in life. Thank you.